Question to Jasani. Why does Grandpa have a boo-boo on his leg? Bye, Jasani.